Hello everyone, I am Rohit. I, on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Here, we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons from our chapters, and in short, we will learn how to make the whole process of learning fun and interesting for the kids. Today, the chapter that I'll be covering is from Class 5 Environmental Studies answer report, and the name of the lesson is known as Every Drop Counts. The innovation that I'll be using here for covering this lesson is known as Celebrate Festivals and Conserve Environment. The main innovation behind this idea is to make the students aware towards the environment by planting trees and also in turn help in learning the concepts that have been taught in the lesson. Some of the important concepts that we'll be covering with the help of this innovation are learning about the different modes of water storage and learning about the importance of water, collecting water for future use. The duration for implementing this idea will be 1 day. Before implementing this idea, we'll be needing some pre-arrangements. Some of the pre-arrangements for this idea are a video showing tree as a medium for conservation of water, groundwater, a picture cut showing recharge of a groundwater. Apart from this, we'll be needing some miscellaneous items like saplings, water sprinkler, and a digging trowel. Along with this, we'll also be needing chart paper, sketch pen, and ribbons and scissors. First of all, we'll focus on building the concept about the different modes of water storage and uses of water for future purpose. For this, we inform the students that today we'll be going to plant trees. We are going to celebrate planting of trees, which helps in conservation of water. After saying that, we show them the video of a tree plantation, trees helping in the storage of groundwater. We show them the whole video. Once we're done with it, we ask the students that what do you think how why trees are important for conservation of groundwater. We take all the responses and then we inform them that trees, because of its roots, the roots of the trees helps in conserving the fresh water for a longer duration of time. After that, we move on to giving the students an explanation about the concepts that we are going to explain. We inform the students that we're going to celebrate a day, tree plantation day, and for that we provide them the chart paper, the sketch pen, and other miscellaneous items, and make them prepare different banners, festoons, and banners with written tree plantation day. Once we're done it with, we again initiate a discussion. We ask the students, okay, so we have learned that trees help in conservation of groundwater. But can you tell me where does this water come from? We take the responses. They might say from groundwater or lakes. We take the responses. And then we inform them that these trees conserve comes from the lakes and the groundwater, and these lakes and groundwater and these lakes and the other water bodies get water from the rain. Then we ask the students, can you name any other water bodies near to your home? We take the responses. We then ask them, what do you call lake? What do you call lake in your local language? We take all the positive responses. We inform them that water is fresh water is very essential for every human being in this world, and trees plays a very important role in conservation of this water. So now today, and for that reason, we'll be celebrating the tree plantation day. And for implementing the tree plantation day, we instruct the students in the following manner. First of all, we ask the students to put up all the festoons and banners that they've prepared around the school, and then we ask them to select one particular area in the school campus for tree plantation. Then, with the help of the gardener or any educator, we ask them to dig holes in the located area for the planting of the saplings. Once the hole has been dug, we ask them to keep a sample soil out of it. Then once the seedlings have been planted, we ask them to cover it with soil and put water over it. And after once done with that, we again ask them to take a sample of that soil once after it has been watered. And after they do so, we ask the students to see the difference between the two soils. They might respond that after after planting and pouring water, it has become more wetter. We tell them this is what groundwater does to our environment, and this is the reason why lakes and other water bodies are so important for us, because it makes the soil fertile around us. And this way, with the help of this activity, we make the students understand the importance of trees for environment and how we conserve water, how we should conserve water for a future purpose. And when we start teaching the students in this way, with this different kinds of methods like like planting of trees, then we get a lot of other benefits apart from explaining them the concepts. First of all, it will help in developing the critical thinking and the decision making process. Next, you will be able to respond to simple instructions that have been made in English. And very importantly, the students will be made aware towards the towards environment and how they should conserve environment. And also, they will also be learning about the concepts that have been taught in the lesson previously in a much more better and interesting way. And for this innovation, this idea, that's all. If you like this video and you want more of such videos from us, please do like, share, and subscribe to our official channel ZII AI. Thank you.